going to show you this cool grinder that I bought on Amazon. The name of it is Shardor. I don't know. That's the name right there. But anyway, it's pretty simple. You just take the top off. And if you look right here, this is the press area. And then you just got to get your coffee, just like this. And you're going to pour it, and you got to pour it over those blades. You got to get at least enough over those blades. So I'm going to fill it up about that far. Bam, set it down. Put coffee over here. And then all I got to do is put the top on. And all I have to do is just press down on it like this. Oops. Gotta make sure it's in there, right? And here we go. Brown coffee. Making a funny noise. But I guess that's the way it sounds. Then you can pull this out by twisting it, put it back in like that, and this is what it looks like. Bam, done. And there's your coffee, ready to go. And that's how you use it. It's very simple. It comes with 2 grinding cups. One's for coffee, which we've already used, and this one here is for seeds or nuts, so you can use that for bigger things. It's got more blades on it. But this is the bottom of them. You see how it works. Just like a blender. It's got these little things on the side where it locks in. When you stick it in here, you twist it, you twist it to the right to tighten it, twist it to the left to bring it out. To the right to tighten it, left to bring it out. That's it. And here's our coffee that we just did. And that's how it works. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this. Peace out.